Right, hello once again YouTubers, Andy with you with another little video. So yes, I am back with a bit of a bang. I'm busy making some videos, but I just want to start this video off maybe for a minute or two, just showing you the issues and the problems which I had trying to fit a new graphics card to my PC, then suddenly realizing that my PC would no longer work. So let's get into it, and we can all share the nightmare together. That's the inside of my PC. This thing's really old. It's 15 years old now, but it's an absolute trooper. It just keeps on going. Problem I got is the graphics card that's too small, so I've gone out and bought one which is twice the size. So I've just got to take off the graphics card. Should be okay. There's the old graphics card, 2 gigabytes. This one's going to be a little bit more powerful. So basically, you've got the slot there. I'm just going to slot it in like so, and then just make sure it's all engaged, and then push that down there because that locks it in. And then I can get my screw, and then I can put it in place, and then hopefully put it all back together. And then that will enable me to shift the files round from the Avata 2 on the codec H265 a lot easier. Okay, well, that's pretty much in place now. The good thing about the old cam cap, guys, is that you can film and you can work and use 2 hands, whoops, at the same time. Okay, we're good. And hopefully that thing will spark into life. Right, there seems to be a bit of a problem, not sure why. I think I'll put everything in correctly. I'm just going to check to make sure the graphics card is actually fully engaged in the slot. Get this damn thing on. Be a start, wouldn't it? Let's have a little looky, shall we? What's going on in here then? It's fully engaged. I think what I might do, just going to take it out, replace it with the other one. Then I'm going to fire it up just to see if there's a problem maybe with the graphics card. I don't think there's going to be, but you just never know. Okay, put the old one back in, put the power back in. Where's my that's what I need. That there, that's for the monitor. I'm going to turn it on. I'm just going to, hopefully my monitor will then liven up or something. I'm getting nothing at all now. Okay, what is that going to be then? Oh, bloody hell, cars and computers, eh? Unbelievable. It's completely dead now. It's completely dead. Oh, that sinking feeling when you try and turn on your PC and it doesn't work. Oh, the pain, the pain. Anyway, guys, that was what I had to go through, endure, trying to be clever, trying to fix my PC, trying to upgrade my PC. But anyway, good old Pete come up trumps. He got me a nice PC and it's going quite well. So I've got some more video footage for you regarding the drones. I have been out to, I think we're going to show you Savannah Forest. I have got another 1 or 2 videos which I will be upcoming regarding drone flying. But this one now is going to be dedicated to Savannah Forest. Well, good morning. So as per usual, we're going to start off with the mad dogs. So brace yourself. There go the mad dogs. Right. Hello once again, YouTube. Andy with you with another little video. So this morning We are up at Savernake Forest once again. We're going to go to 2 different locations. There's a bit of mizzle in the air, a bit of drizzle, which is just playing up on the lens, you can see. I'm just going to take it in. I'm hoping it's going to clear. I may have to bring it back to clear it, but it's not too bad. Once you get into kind of the inner sanctums of the forest itself. I'm just going to bring it over towards my home point area. There you go. Just whip it past me. It does really turn quite sharply, this thing. You can have an immense amount of fun with this, you really can. On 35% battery power, so I'm going to have to recharge it. I have got a recharger. I've only got the 1 battery. But I've also got some battery packs where I can charge from. So when I go to my next location, on the way there I can put it on charge straight away, and when I get to my next location I should be back up to almost 100% or there or thereabouts. So I've got a couple of those, and they're really handy things to have. Okay, well, I've not spotted anything yet, guys. I'm not sure whether you've seen anything jumping around at all. Any yetis or anything? I'm pretty sure if they exist, then they're most definitely going to be in a place something similar to where we are here. It's just nice just to cut loose and just to come out here just to, you know, just to ground myself once again in nature. It's just a wonderful thing to do. Just something so special, so magical in a sense about forests and woods and big places like this. We're only doing 6.8 meters a second, which is plenty fast enough, really. Oh, here we go, low battery, wants to return to home, so a couple of presses will probably sort that out. Down to 27%. I'm going to bring it back to the home point forthwith immediately, and then what I think I'll do, I'll pack up here and we'll go to our next destination, which is going to be West Woods, and that is most definitely a wonderful place. I think you're going to enjoy that place. I've not been there for a while, and I always enjoy myself when I'm out there. Right, here we go. Just whirring our way back to the home point now. There we go then, guys. Brilliant, hope you enjoyed that. Okay, we're just changing over from the Avata to the Neo. Bit of Neo fun coming up, guys. Going to record straight away. We go. What's he got on? Got on sportsy mode. Yes, I know, boys. Good fun, isn't it? Right then, let's go and have a bit of fun with the little Neo here, shall we? Whoops. Alright, let's go and shoot for some little gaps, shall we? See what there is around this part of the wood. Just go and explore for a while, shall we? It's a bit busy in here, guys. A little bit busy. Right, let's have a little wander through here with the DJI Neo, shooting at 1080p 60 frames per second. And we're just going to have a wander through here. I was just walking by and I just looked over and I thought, wow, that looks kind of interesting. Looks so wild. I just want to go in and have a little look. Yeah, I could get in there on the pegs, I suppose, and have a walk around, but if you got a drone, why don't you let the drone do it? It does a great job, as you can see, and you can get through it far quicker than I ever could. Right, I'm just on the outer limits of my signal at the moment, so I'm going to have to be a little bit careful. I'm going to have to bring it back in a homeward direction almost immediately, I think. Ooh. There's someone walking down. Okay, I just need to be a bit careful now. Morning, how you doing then?
Good, how are you?
Okay, yeah, I'll just fly my little drone just in amongst the trees at the moment.
Hey, good for you.
Just seeing what there is.
Yeah, brilliant.
It's really good fun.
I bet.
Yeah. It might pop out in a second and jump on you.
Oh well.
Well, there's some deer there. We're just following just for a second. I'm not in them. I'm not going to pester them, but I just want to see kind of where they go, really. Just see if they went out here somewhere. I don't know. Anyway, we won't harangue them or harass them. It's just lovely to see some nature, really. Okay, let's bring this thing back, shall we? More towards myself. There we go. Just throwing you about a bit here, guys. It's just what FPV is, I'm afraid. But it's just wonderful. Okay. Right. Yeah, the Neo's a fantastic little machine. It really is. It's so nimble. And the quality of the footage is just outstanding for what it is, for what you pay. It's very kind of inexpensive. Let me just bring it back towards myself. There we go. There we go up there. Go back under here again. Zoom. Just zoom it through. And then hit something. Which wasn't very helpful, by the way. Never mind. It is a Neo. It can take an absolute hammering, by the way. That thing's going to be fine. The only thing which I'm a bit concerned about is if I've actually lost my file. That's a possibility. It's still recording, so I think we're okay. So I think moving forward with the Avata, because I've only got one battery and it's kind of all I need, I think if I had 3 batteries, then the video would probably go on for over an hour, and I don't think that would be a good thing. I think 30 minutes is probably about right. So I'm going to try and maybe, if I can, divide that time up in almost equal amounts. I think perhaps more focusing on the Avata 2 and perhaps a Neo, although the Flip's got a great camera, I can't deny that. But I think what I'm going to be doing is getting up the Avata 2 first, flying that, running the battery down, sticking it on charge, and then whilst it's charging up, I can then fly the Neo and probably the Flip. I think that's probably a good way, you know, to go from now on. Really super impressed with the Avata 2. It's a couple of massive steps up really from the Neo in all aspects. So the only one downside, I suppose, is that it hasn't got the dynamic shots the Flip or the Neo have, but that's fine because I've got the Flip to do that anyway, and the Neo if I need it. But yeah, it's a great little drone. I'm happy I've got it. I think I've made the right choice. All my stuff is compatible with the Avata 2, and I went for it just because it's just a massive upgrade really from the Neo. I'm not sure what the Neo 2 is going to be like. It's going to be better than the Neo 1, but I cannot be certain that my stuff is going to be compatible with the Neo 2. Hence the reasons why I went for the Avata 2. And I just think any Avata probably is going to be better than any Neo they come out with. Perhaps, I don't know. But I must say, if the Neo 2 is compatible with my stuff, then I'll probably go out and just buy the Neo 2 and have a fly with that, just to see what it's like.